What up, YouTube? About to go for a quick ride on a 2012. My old exhaust, man, it had the baffle valve it too, but it was one of them ugly ass two brothers. Sounded great, but man, them ugly ass design two brother, I didn't buy it. It came with a damn bike, and I kept it for a couple months before I had to switch it up. That's a nice vet. His ass probably smoked me. I don't know if y'all seen it. He had a damn blower sticking out of the hood. That's supercharged. I passed them earlier. Looks like two buddies out having fun. God damn, dude. I guess it's my fault. Out here driving like a dickhead. That'll do it. I just want to give y'all little sound checks, show y'all what it sounds like without the baffle. I'm sure the damn the mic ain't really gonna give it any justice, but it is annoyingly loud. But like I said, in a good way. So until next time, y'all have a good one.